Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share an awesome Love Nikki mod that's going to level up your game. Stick around to see it in action, and trust me, you'll want to watch until the end. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you love gaming mods like I do. This mod works on all Android and iOS devices and comes with a slick mod menu. Just tap the gear icon in-game and bam, the menu pops up. The star feature? You can max out your diamonds instantly. Plus, there are other cool tweaks to customize your Love Nikki experience. To make this mod work, ensure you have the latest version of Love Nikki installed. I've dropped a pinned comment below explaining exactly where you can grab this mod, so check it out. Alright, let's see it in action. Watch closely as I tap the gear, open the mod menu, and boost those diamonds to the max. Pretty sweet, right? Thanks for tuning in. If this mod works for you, drop a comment below and let me know how it went. Please subscribe for more gaming goodies, and don't forget to peek at that pinned comment for all the details on getting this mod. See you next time.